Hello everyone, Charles here with Slick Trade, and in this presentation I'm going to go over our market commentary for the upcoming week. So last week, the New Zealand dollar on the 4-hour time frame, we had a beautiful break to the upside. You had the potential to gain about 125 pips. And for the upcoming week, our new defined range is around the 0.72645 level and the 0.72294. We do want to make sure that that stays within our 50 pip range for our weekly analysis, which is 34. So that is beautiful. Okay. Put that in there and take the screenshot for your post. Now, the New Zealand dollar daily time frame, if you are new to the room or new to trading in general, that simply means that each one of these candles is 1 day in duration. Okay, this is my favorite time frame to trade and has the best information for looking at past history. So for this, we had a beautiful break to the upside, and it hit our take profit one of 62 pips. Okay, then price kind of came back down to that level, so we are going to change this here to 50, and our new range. So I talked about last week, price making up its mind where it wants to go. We're in a definite consolidation period, and our upper level we're going to move this up here, and we're going to come right to here, okay? For an upper level, our lower, actually, I might bring that down a little closer to the wick, actually, right? We'll go right here. This is really where price kind of hit before. Here, we had a break here. Price kind of came up to there, and we experienced the same resistance here and here, okay? So that's going to be the new key level there, with our take profit one of being around 0.73733. And our lower level, I'm going to keep, at the 0.72193, okay? Now, if it breaks below there and candle body holds, we're going to have a take profit one of 0.71568, okay? Just going to come here, and we're going to move our take profits up here, okay? You definitely want to trail stop these, okay? That will get you the maximum pip potential, and it will protect your profit. It is very important to stick to your trading rules. Whatever your trading plan is personally, make sure you always stick to that. Do not become greedy, okay? Greed is one of the main factors that makes a trader not be successful, okay? And lack of patience. You absolutely want to have patience as a trader. Don't jump into a trade simply because you think something's going to happen. Stick to your rules, okay? So here, On the Aussie dollar 4-hour time frame, we had a break to the upside, candle body held here, and you had the potential to gain about 49 pips. As far as results are concerned, that'd be 25, okay? Because I usually watch that 25 pip increment, okay? So new defined range, like I said, on the 4-hour time frame, you want to keep around that 50 pip range, or 50 pips or less, sorry. And that's 30, so we are within that 50 pip range, okay? New defined range is going to be here, 0.772369. Oh, get that wrong, sorry. Yeah, that's Aussie dollar. My internet is acting a little wonky today. There we go. And the lower, 0.769285. Okay. I'm just going to save this. Just want to make sure we don't have any issues here. Our internet has been dropping a lot the past couple days. Just want to make sure things are saving properly. While it's doing that, let's go ahead and grab our screenshot. Aussie dollar daily. Now we've been in an overall long trend, okay? We put in this trend line quite a few weeks ago at this point. It might have been a couple months. Let's see here. Price is still below the trend line. It is still below the Hall moving average, okay? Right now, we are in between the daily support and the monthly resistance, okay? It's right here. Excuse me. We had a couple breaks as far as the key levels last week, but no candle body hold. No candle bodies that held. So if you trade this based on breakouts alone, to the upside, it moved about 26 pips, and to the short side, it went about 31, okay? If you stick to the rules of, candle body breaks, then just no trade would have triggered whatsoever. And that is what we base our results on, so that would simply be 0, okay? Nothing really happened, okay? But each of us are different. Some of us traded on the breaks, and that's absolutely fine. It is whatever your trading plan entails. So I am going to bring this lower level down just a little bit because we did end right there. I'm going to go right in the middle of that wick there. Okay. And I'm going to move this down for your take profit 1. Upper key level, I'm going to bring that down to the monthly resistance, okay? And then obviously we're going to move our take profits down as well here. And just trail stop. Again, protect your profit and really follow your plan. Like I said, we are overall in a long trend, but we're in that consolidation period right now. The dollar franc on the 4-hour time frame. Last week, candle body, we had a break. The candle body held on the lower side here. Went down about 30 pips. As far as results are concerned, that's 25. For the upcoming week, this is a pretty solid resistance level. And here, I'm going to go right there, would be a pretty solid support. Overall, on the 4-hour, it is in a short. However, price is definitely testing. You can see that here. It's testing this level. If we break above this previous high here, around the 0.90467 level, then we could be looking at a trend reversal. But please keep in mind, this is the 4-hour time frame. I personally like to base my trading plan on the daily. Okay, the daily gives a lot better support and resistance levels. You're getting into trades you're getting into less trades. Okay, it's just more my style. Okay, and you'll find what yours is if you have not yet. Okay. As far as the daily time frame is concerned, price is in short. Right now, it's kind of testing this upper level here. We'll see what happens. I'm honestly just going to keep this the same. I'll move this line forward here. We are real close to here, so just be careful. Watch it. Make sure that candle body breaks and holds, okay? If it does not, then, stick with past history, okay? Stick with the overall trend. Like I said, don't get greedy. Let's see if I got a screenshot of that. Not. There we go. Euro dollar, 4-hour time frame. We had a beautiful break to the upside last week. Created a new high. And then price came right on back down. You had the potential to gain about 62 pips on the 4-hour time frame. As far as the upcoming week, too close there. New defined range is here. As far as the daily time frame is concerned, we did have a nice break to the upside. Price retraced back down. So I'm going to keep those same key levels that we had last week, but you did have the potential to gain about 50 pips, maybe a little more, depending when you got out. If you just had those the take profit one, in, and you were not trailing or anything like that, or manually trading it, then you might have gained exactly 50. Just kind of depends how you trade it personally. Okay. As far as the upcoming week, those key levels are going to stay the same. As far as the pound dollar, last week we just had some sideways movement. Not much happened. So that is going to stay the same. Oh. We are in an overall long trend. However, we're coming up to that trend line. We are above the Hall moving average. Our trend rider is showing long still, but we had some serious testing here. Okay, so let's see what happens. If this upper 1.42449 level holds, then we really may be seeing a trend reversal in the upcoming weeks. but we'll see what price does. Again, patience. You always want to have patience, and skip out on a trade if it does not stick to your trading plan. Okay. So those key levels stay the same. Like I said, potential trend reversal in the upcoming weeks. We are currently testing the previous high, and that is about it. So not a whole lot happened. We did have some nice momentum on a couple. The 4-hour time frame did really well, and we'll see what the future weeks deliver for us. Okay, so you guys have a good one. If you celebrate Memorial Day, please have a wonderful Memorial Day tomorrow, and cheers to another successful week. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.